Here we are today at the New England Rapid Recovery Center. We have a 53-year-old man who had a umbilical hernia repaired. So this is day 2 of treatment. Tell us what's happening.
On day 2, I found that after day 1, I had better motion within my abdominal area. Didn't hurt so much to sit and stand again. The pain itself was reduced quite much. We just barely finished the second session, and I feel a difference already. I'll make sure I ice it down, and we'll see what happens with the next session. But I find progress is working quite well. I work for myself, and I use my body a lot in my job. And I'm hoping this will get me back to my job much quicker, and the healing process will make it so that I can do that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.